Hello everybody, welcome to Impressive Image Maker channel. This is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer and shot this image for a long time ago. 35mm black and white, and I got many pictures from this shooting. I painted, colorized, and make an illustration type image, watercolor image. Well, this time this is my subject today, and I have this pencil drawing type image as well, as always. And but I'm going to colorize first, so I'm not going to use I don't know. I may use it later if it's okay. Pencil drawing type image, I may use this. Okay, now first of all, I have this empty layer move in between these two. Then I'm gonna paint on here. Well, change blend mode to color. Then I'm gonna pick some basic to soft round opacity for colorize. We don't need any texture of the brush. So let's think about color this time. Well, I want to make something pastel image. I don't know. It depends on my mood of this morning. Well, go for skin tone first. That's easy to start from. Okay. Well, now, what color is gonna be on her? Maybe. Okay. Alright, pretty much done. Now go for background. Well, let's finish up her makeup. Okay, now go for background. Let's see. well, kind of shabby coloring. Overall, kind of real close colors. So I want to change some. Maybe her costume. Yeah, let's check it out. Some. Okay, I'm gonna duplicate layer. Then one is for model. So I'm gonna erase. This is pretty interesting, isn't it? Okay, I'm gonna erase background on this layer. Soft round opacity. Okay, turn it off this. Then I see, oops. Color on only for model. This one. Okay. Then turn it on this. This is for only for background. So I'm gonna turn this one off. Then I'm gonna erase this. I guess makeup is alright, so only for clothes, huh? Yeah, only for costume. Just erase colors. Okay, only for background. Then this is only for model. Turn this one off. Yeah, okay. Now turn it on both. Then let's see the background. Hue Saturation underneath. Only for this background, right? Now hue changes to saturation, go down a little bit darker. Just touch tone down, saturation down. Maybe I can change her costume also. Well, just use saturation, same thing, then effect only underneath, then make mask. Now invert mask, then reveal, same soft round opacity, only for her costume. This mask. Okay, then change hue. Is anything changed? Well, this costume color before, no, not much changed. Touch. Lighten up saturations and just a little bit up. Here's just a little bit different. Now you see more. Okay, I'm gonna change some colors in here. Also, I want her skirt to be more earth color. So orange-ish. Turn this one off first. Change some colors. Now turn it on. Goes more soft, touch more bluer. Brownish. Same kind of color. No, I want to add some more red. More earth color. This is background. The color is turning to nice shadow colors, pastel, not that bright image, but light image, but well, turn into real nice colors though. Yeah, I separate the color of her model in the background. Then I change the hue saturation. This is for background. Go much shadow color lightness go down and saturation off over close to -60%. 60, and this one is full model. Same thing. Well, lighten up and changed hue, then a little bit saturation up to change this much. Well, of course I changed the color pretty much in this model's costume. Well, I think that's it for colorize, and I'm gonna finish up movie now for colorize, and I focused on colorize movie. I wanna fix this. Usually I took a little time, maybe 1 to 2 hours or so, to edit it, maybe 10 to 20 minutes, 1/5 of the length of the movie. But this time I want to concentrate on colorize. I just want to edit the movie a little bit longer for colorize. Okay, now I have this is color for both. This is a black and white original image. Add to this model first, then I add background. Well, thank you for watching my video, and I hope this movie is gonna give you some kind of idea for your creative work, especially colorize black and white to color. Well, including photograph or maybe monotone image to colorize. Add color on, change color layer. Well, thank you, and I really appreciate for you guys' support, and you guys have a nice day, and see you next time. Bye now. Ciao. Pretty nice color, isn't it? Shadow tone. Well, different feeling. Some kind of mood. Yeah, I really like this. Alright.